Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech Official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily clear cache data on your phone, clear cache of your applications, Android apps. And this video is comprised of three parts. In the first part we are going to show you guys how you can easily clear the cache of each individual app, and after that in the second step we will share a quick way to clear all the cache of all the apps of your Android phone. And in the third part we are going to show you that how you can easily clean the cache images and files of Google Chrome. So first of all you need to go to the settings, and in the setting you have to click on apps. We have to find apps and click on it, and then click on manage apps. From here you will see all the apps that are installed on your Android phone. So these are the Android applications, so we will select any one of it from them. So we are going to select Binance. So from here you have to just scroll down a little bit, and here you will see a clear data option. Just click on it and then click on the clear cache button, and then click on OK. So in this way you can easily clear the cache of any individual app. But here you will see another option written as clear all data. You don't need to click on this, because if you click on this your app will be reset and all the data of this app will be removed from your Android phone. If you are facing any problem on any application, first of all just clear the cache, and if that problem exists, just then reset the app with the help of this clear R data, and your problem will be fixed. So first step is okay. So we will move toward the second part of this video. So in the second part I am going to show you this feature is available in my Android phone. So in some devices this is a built-in application. There are some third-party applications, but I will let you know in the upcoming videos, inshallah. So first of all, in this video you see a boost speed of application is available on my desktop of the mobile Android phone. So I just click on it, and here you see a boosting speed, and here you will see a clean out button. When I click on this clean out button, you will see that it is cleaning the cache file, absolute files, packages, and all the stuff. So just click on the cleanup 3.38 MB files, and in this way you can clean all the cache file of all the application installed on your Android phone. So in this way you can easily complete the second part of this video. So now move toward the third part. In this part you are going to open the Chrome application and click on these three dots, and then click on the settings. And in the setting you have to click on privacy and security. From here just click on the clear browsing data, and here you will see the three check boxes. On first is browsing history, and second is cookies and site data, and third is cache images and files. So we are going to select the cache images and file and click on clear data and click on clear. So in this way you can easily clear the cache files of Google Chrome browser. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.